Is your Instagram suddenly showing the action blocked error? Don't panic, this is a common security measure. The fastest fix is the cool down protocol. First, stop all actions immediately. Next, go to your phone's settings, find the Instagram app, and clear the cache. Then, simply wait for 24 to 48 hours before logging back in. That's it. The block should be lifted.
If clearing the cache doesn't work, try a network reset. Instagram might have flagged your current IP address. Simply turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off to get a fresh IP. Alternatively, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. This simple trick often bypasses the temporary block instantly.
If you believe Instagram made a mistake, use the in-app appeal. When the error pops up, tap the Tell Us button. You can also go to your profile, tap the menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then tap Account Status. If there are any restrictions, tap Request Review to submit your appeal. Your case will be reviewed, usually within 24 hours.
Finally, secure your account by removing suspicious apps. Go to Settings, find Website Permissions or Apps and Websites, and remove any unknown third-party apps. Then, change your Instagram password to force a complete session reset across all devices. This ensures no background bots are triggering the block.
Why does this happen? In 2026, Instagram's AI detects bot-like behavior such as rapid liking, mass following, or using unauthorized automation tools. To keep your account safe, always interact at a human pace and avoid third-party follower apps. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.